Welcome to our installation guide for EZFN and Fortnite OG on iOS. Today, we'll show you how to get started on your iPhone or iPad. Before we dive in, let's check the compatibility requirements for your device. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS version. Next, you'll need to download the EZFN app. Be sure to do this from a trusted source for your safety. Let's set up the necessary configurations to ensure a smooth installation process. Follow along closely. Now we're ready to install Fortnite OG through the EZFN launcher. Click that Install button. During the installation, you may need to grant some permissions. Make sure to read them carefully before proceeding. If you encounter any issues, don't panic. We'll cover some common troubleshooting steps to help you out. To enhance your gameplay experience, here are some tips for optimizing your settings on iOS devices. Don't forget to keep your Fortnite OG updated. This ensures you have the best experience possible. And that's a wrap. Enjoy your time playing Fortnite OG on iOS. Happy gaming!